Are you looking for the best keyboards for programming? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best keyboards on the market before we get started with our video. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Keychron Q5 Max. The best keyboard for programming we've tested is the Keychron Q5 Max, a compact, 96% model in Keychron's wider Q Max lineup. Note that this keyboard isn't typically available from major online retailers but is reliably in stock directly from Keychron's website. This wireless keyboard has outstanding build quality with a solid aluminum case. Part of what makes typing on this keyboard feel so different is its double gasket-mounted design, which offers a softer-sounding, almost springy typing experience compared to many mechanical keyboards. Another major selling point of this keyboard is its freedom in terms of hardware customizability. It has a hot swappable PCB, so you can easily replace the stock switches with your chosen ones. Other components, like the stabilizers and keycaps, are also easily replaceable, and an included toolkit helps you disassemble your keyboard. While we recommend the Q5 Max specifically for most programmers, the entire Keychron Q Max series is worth checking out, as there are various sizes and layouts. If you don't rely on F-row keys for your workflow, you may appreciate the more compact, 75% Keychron Q1 Max. Or, if you prefer a more conventional full-size layout, you'll want to check out the Keychron Q6 Max. Either way, each model in this series offers the same outstanding typing quality, wireless connectivity, and hardware customization. Each variant is also fully compatible with VIA customization software in QMK, meaning you can make software and firmware level adjustments to complement your workflow. At number 2. Keychron V5 Max. For a less expensive option, you'll have difficulty finding a keyboard that offers everything the Keychron V5 Max does. It's essentially a cheaper version of our top pick, the Keychron Q5 Max. This keyboard can also be difficult to find in stock from major retailers, but you can find it directly from Keychron. While it doesn't feature the solid aluminum frame of Keychron's Q Max series boards, it does have a surprisingly sturdy plastic frame. It also boasts PBT keycaps, screw-in stabilizers, and layers of sound dampening foam inside the board to help reduce the ping and rattle while you type. Like the Q5 Max, everything, from the internal hardware components to the firmware, is customizable, making this a great budget-friendly base to start with if you're interested in a fully bespoke unit for programming. The V5 Max and other size variants in Keychron's wider V Max series are also easy to deconstruct thanks to the included toolkit, and it only takes about an hour to change out the stock components. If you prefer a low-profile keyboard, the new PHY Air 75 V3 is one of the best mechanical keyboards for programming at a mid-range price point. Thanks to the low-profile mechanical switches and chiclet-style keycaps, you can rest your wrists comfortably on the surface you're working on and reach the keys without straining upwards, which can make a big difference over long stretches. It offers an incredible typing experience without any modifications and excellent build quality, wrapped in a much lighter, more portable, and more versatile unit. It supports new PHY I/O software, which allows you to customize backlighting, key assignments, custom layers, macros, and more. You can access this software using any Chromium-based web browser. It also brings some worthwhile upgrades. It now uses a gasket mount design for a springier typing experience, adds an optional multifunctional knob in the top right of the chassis, and improves both dampening and latency performance. At number 3. AULA F99/F75. The AULA F75/F99 is our recommendation as the best budget keyboard for programming and an excellent budget pick if you prefer a mechanical keyboard with a very soft, almost springy feeling typing quality. Both the full-size F99 and the smaller 10-keyless F75 offer a lot of value for the price. The gasket-mounted design delivers a soft, cushioned typing feel that many people love, though once again, it does lean on the very soft side, so if you prefer the firmer, more direct feedback of a traditional tray-mounted keyboard, it might not be the right fit. Build quality is better than you'd expect at this price. The high-quality PBT keycaps feel great under your fingers, and while the plastic chassis feels noticeably cheaper than our other picks above, it's still well assembled. A foam layer inside the case helps avoid the hollow sound that budget plastic keyboards often suffer from, and the keyboard actually produces a pleasing sound right out of the box. For connectivity, you can go wireless via Bluetooth or the included 2.4 GHz receiver. At number 4. Royal KLUDGE RK61. We recommend the Royal KLUDGE RK61 if you need a cheap, dependable coding keyboard and can make it work with a 60% layout. Despite its low price, it's also wireless and small enough to carry around. However, this compact unit lacks a dedicated function row and arrow keys, which can be a deal breaker if your workflow relies on them and you're not a fan of shortcut combinations to access these commands. This compact model also has a hot swappable PCB, so you can easily replace the stock switches with the ones you prefer. It's an extremely versatile unit that lets you connect with up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth. There's also a variant with a wireless USB receiver that can be a lifesaver if you use it in a noisier Bluetooth environment, like an open office. The RK61's battery life is on the lower side, maxing out at around 10 hours. Fortunately, it also includes a USB to USB-C charging cable, and you can use the keyboard normally while it charges. If you'd rather use a full-size or 10-keyless keyboard, the Keychron B33/B36 is worth a look as well. It won't give you the same tactile punch as a mechanical keyboard, but its deep scissor switches are stable and make for a satisfying typing experience. It's also quiet and comfortable to use even through longer sessions. Connectivity is another strength. You can connect via the included 2.4 GHz receiver, pair it with up to 3 devices over Bluetooth, or just plug it in. The wired connection keeps latency impressively low, which is a nice bonus for the occasional gaming session. At number 5. Logitech MX Keys S. The best non-mechanical option for coding we've tested is the Logitech MX Keys S. We recommend this keyboard if you need a quieter model for a noise-sensitive setting or prefer a tactile typing experience similar to that of a laptop. Its keycaps have small dish-shaped indents that keep your fingers centered, helping you minimize typos from glancing blows on neighboring keys. Like other picks on this list, it offers excellent wireless versatility. You can connect it via its included USB receiver or pair it with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth. It also has white backlighting and keycaps with shine-through legends for great visibility in darker rooms. You can also set the lighting to automatically adjust brightness based on the conditions around you. Unlike our picks above, the MX Keys S doesn't offer hardware customizability. Also, while it has a very thin, low-profile design that makes it comfortable to type on without a wrist rest, it's still quite large and isn't designed to be slipped into a bag or used on the go. If portability is paramount for your workflow, we suggest looking at the smaller version of this keyboard, the Logitech MX Keys Mini, which has a much more compact, 75% layout.